Hello, Chef Sheila here with another episode of Healthy Eating Self-Management Day. Today, I will be making a summertime fruit fusion smoothie using three of our most popular fruits: mango, pineapple, and passion fruit. Today's smoothie will be sugar-free, so my suggestion to you is to use fruits that are overripe. To get started, we will need to add a cup of each of semi-frozen mango and pineapple to the blender. Two tablespoons of fresh passion fruit pulp and a quarter cup of basil or mint leaves. Blend until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Pour smoothie into glass, garnish with a slice of pineapple and mint leaf, and enjoy. Remember to send us your comments, photos, or videos. Until next time, Chef Sheila signing off. Bye.